Hello everyone. In this section we are going to study about presentation of rational number on number line. You already know every rational number has a corresponding point representing it on the number line. Before understanding or before going ahead, now let us look few basic concepts. So I'm drawing a one circle. In this section we are representing all natural number. So this is the natural number set where all natural numbers are belonging. So here 1, 2, 3 and so on, these are the natural number. Okay, now this natural number is covered by with 0 and we call that is a whole number. So I am representing whole number by W, and this is the symbolically representation of whole number. The whole number is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These all are whole number. Now again the natural number and whole number covered by a number, and that number is called as a integer. And this number having all positive number, here having all positive number with 0 and all negative number. So we can say the integer is a group of number where whole number with all negative number are coming, or integer is a set of number where all positive number with negative number including 0 is coming. So this integer is symbolically represented by Z or I. Now this is the natural number, whole number and integer. So we already know this integer also covered by special group of number, and we call those is a rational number. So rational number is a form of number where rational number is a group of number where all integer are belonging, and this rational number is form of P by Q, or we can say rational number is a ratio of two number that must have the integer where denominator Q not equal to 0. So this is the rational number definition. So now we are going to our main concept, and that is representation of rational number in number line. So here I am drawing a one number line. Look at here, and this representation of rational number on number line, here is two case or two case to represent rational number on a number line. The case one is if a rational number or ratio of two number, the number must have the integer. The number P is also integer and number Q also integer, where Q not equal to 0. Okay, in this case this is the normal definition of rational number. Okay, and rational number is denoted by symbolically capital Q. So this is the rational number. Now this rational, the case one is here, and that is if the ratio of two number P and Q where P is less than Q, means where numerator is less than denominator. This is the case one. So if the numerator is less than denominator, what happened in this case? So I'm drawing here one scale or a number line scale. So for a number line scale, in middle one is 0, on the right hand side all positive number. So I'm taking here all positive number from 0, 1, 2, 3 on right hand side of 0, and the all negative number on the left hand side of 0. So this is the -1, -2, -3 and so on. So student, you already understand this is a rational number. Now let us consider the length between two successive integers. The length between two successive integers to be unit length, as we know integer also a rational number. Now according to case 1 where numerator is less than d, so I'm taking one example to understand this case. So the first is to represent 2 by 5 and -2 by 5 on above number line. So look at here student, to represent 2 by 5 on the number line, we divided the unit length between 0 and 1. To represent 2 by 5 on the number line, we divided the unit length between 0 and 1. So here is positive 1 and this one is negative 1. So in both way, look at here, for 2 by 5 we are going to on positive way, positive side of 0, and negative side of 0, -2 by 5. So what we are doing here, we are dividing 0 and 1 into unit length. Okay, how many unit length we must to have? Look at here, this is the ratio 2 by 5 and this 5 is the whole portion. Among the 5 here is 2 must to taken here in a unit. So 0 to 1 we divided into 5 equal parts. So look at here, I'm dividing 5 equal parts. This is the 1, 2, 3 and 4 and this one is 5. So this is the part 1, this is the part 2, this is the part 3, this is the part 4 and this one is part 5. So in this way we divided the 5 equal parts. Now out of these 5 equal parts we must to know these 2. So this 5 is total part between 0 and 1. How many parts we must to take here? 2 parts. So we must to take here 2 equal parts, and this 2 equal part is this one. This 2 equal part is, look at here, the 2 equal part is this one portion. Okay, this is the 2 by 5 because we divided 0 to 1 in 5 equal parts. Among these 5 parts, the second part ending here. So I am taking this portion. Okay, so I am highlighting this one. Look at here student, this part. Okay, so I am highlighting this one. Look, this part. This part is 2 by 5. So similar way, we are for a representation of this for representation of negative portion also, for representation of negative portion also, this portion, representation of this portion also, we taking here 5 equal parts between 0 and 1, and among these 5 equal parts we must to take minus 2 parts, these minus 2 parts. So look at here student, I am drawing again the 5 equal parts from 0 to minus 1, and this one is part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4, and this one part 5. Okay, so among these 5 equal parts we must to take minus 2 parts. So minus 2 is here. This one is 0, this one is 1, and this one is 2. So it's a minus 2 parts, this one portion. So I am writing here minus 2 by 5. So I hope student you are very well understand the case number 1. Now let us move to understand the case number 2. Now student, I am taking case number 2 to represent a rational number on number line. The case 2 is when a rational number p by q, where q not equal to 0. So p and q is a ratio form, and p and q both are integer, where q a denominator not equal to 0. In this is the definition of rational number. Okay, so where p is greater than q means numerator is greater than denominator in this case. So student, let us understand here. According to case 2, I am taking example to understand more clear about it. The example is here. So if the 14 by 3 and minus 14 by 3, this must be represent on number line, So let us understand how to represent. For this we must to draw a number line. So this is a number line. Okay, now in this number line the middle one is 0, so I am drawing here 0. Now on the right hand side we are representing all positive number. So this is the positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This way we listing the all positive number on the right hand side of 0. Now on the left hand side of 0, all negative numbers. So here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This way we listing the all negative number. Now this is a integer line also. So every integer is a rational number. So student, look at here the example. According to example, this 14 by 3 and minus 14 by 3. From 14 by 3 here numerator is greater than denominator. Now student, don't bother when you are taking minus 14 by 3 on number line. You just consider this 14 from the ratio 14 and 13. This 14 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Just compare between these two. Don't bother for this minus. Just 14 is taking as a numerator and 3 is taking as a denominator. So here denominator is less than numerator. So in this case, what we doing? The first we doing this 14 by 3 is a fraction. So this fraction we must to convert in a form of mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction. So how we convert this 14 by 3 in mixed fraction? Okay, by just dividing simple division method. So here I am getting 4 and 2 by 3 is a mixed form of this 14 by 3. Look how 3 4 ja 12 plus 2, it's a 14 by 3. So it's equal to 14 by 3. So I'm taking here mixed fraction. Now look at here student, this from the 14 by 3, this 4 is a whole part. Okay, this is 4 is a whole part, and this 2 by 3 is a ratio form. So from 0 to on the right hand side, because I'm taking this is the 14 by 3 positive, so this 4 is also positive. So on the 0 right hand side we are going the positive way, this positive way. So from 0 to 1, this 2, this 3 and this 4. Okay, so 4, we already coming here 4. So this is the first whole part. Okay, you mark here, and from this 4 to 5 you must to convert how many equal parts? These 3 equal parts. This 3 is the representation of or dividing the number of total parts between the another successive number, this 4, 2 and 5, or you can say the corresponding point. Okay, corresponding point. So these 4 and 5 between you must to take a 3 equal parts. So this 1, this 2 and these 3 equal parts. Okay student, now this 1 equal part, this 2 and this 3 equal part. Now so you taking here 2 from 4 to 5, you mark the second line where is ending. So this one is the portion. Okay, so this one is the portion, this one. Okay, so you represent here 2 by 3. In this way you can write this is actually a 4 and 2 by 3 part, and 4 and 2 by 3 part is equal to 14 by 3. Now so same way you are doing in the negative side also. So for doing the negative side, look at here student, I'm representing this minus 14 by 3 on the number line. So this minus 14 by 3 also converting in a mixed form, so it become minus 4 and 2 by 3. Okay, so because this minus 4 representing the negative minus 4, so this minus 4 representing from the 0 to left hand side, or from the 0 to negative side on a number line. So you take here this 0, this 1, this 2, this 3, this 4 and this is a minus 4. Okay, so from minus 4 to another corresponding point. So this one we must to convert in how equal parts. How many equal parts? The total parts is in a form of ratio, total parts is 3. So you divide in 3 equal parts. So this is the 1 part, this is the 2 part and this is the 3 part. So 1, 2 and 3, this is the 3 equal parts from minus 4 to minus 5. From this we must do the second part, and this is the second part is, look at here, these 2, second from minus 4 to 2, so it's a 1 and 2, so it's a minus 4 2 by 3 or equal to minus 14 by 3. In this way we are simply representing the rational number on a number line. Okay, I hope you understand very clearly. I'm explaining very detailed, so it is easy to understand, and I think you never forget when you studying this one.